Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Hazelsong AJ here, your family-friendly jammer. And in today's video, I'm just telling you guys that I'm not quitting Animal Jam. I just haven't been uploading videos for like a few months because I've just been really busy, and mainly because I don't really have any ideas for videos. So please comment down in the description below with some good videos I should make, and I'll do some research and I'll make those videos happen. And I'll also be doing possibly some skits and more den decorations. So I hope to see you guys commenting, and I hope that I'll make these videos sooner or later. Alright, well, see you guys. Hazelsong AJ out.